Reda. It's a flicking touch again from Drawoyi. Drawoyi shoots with the rebound again. Desert Foxes again, as it was against the Uganda Cranes in their group opener in Group C. The same story covering up the Mandela National Stadium in Kampala as Algeria drove first blood against Bafana. Now that was really that bit of a pouncing response coming in from the Desert Foxes. Good shot that was covered by, that is Mfalele. Koza goes long. A nice touch. And a chance for Bafana to reply before the halftime mark. And guess what? A relief moment to the Bafana technical bench. And some of the Uganda Cranes fans rallying behind the Bafana team. And the noise coming in from the Mandela National Stadium could be really telling us the good part of this story, that of course South Africa have labelled matters. Thabiso Kutumela with a lovely equalizer from the Richards Bay